Hi guys, it's Kathleen Egan from the yoga space in Hilversum. How are you going today? So I would like to take you on a little journey today. Would you like to come and do some shaking it out with me? And then we'll do a little bit of a relaxation together. So if you would like to, can you stand up from where you are and go and find either a drum or a scarf or a tambourine, something really loud that you can shake it out with. And if you don't have those things, then you can just use your hands on your legs or on your tummy. And we're going to do a little dance called Drum Yoga. It's very, very, very cool. So if you would like to shake out your sillies with me, come and do some Drum Yoga. Come and stand up. I'm going to use my hands. You ready? Shake it out.
Dance, shake, pose, and drum around.
Shake it out.
Make our rhythmic sound.
Drum yoga, drum yoga, drum yoga, drum yoga.
Now let's sit in chair pose, please.
Can you put your feet together, your hips, and sit in chair pose? Drum on your knees. Drummer on your knees.
Straddle legs out really wide. Drum the floor from
On the
side to
floor,
side.
so drum
Yoga.
from right to left.
Drum yoga. Say these words.
Can you stand up tall for me?
Wave your hands up.
Hands in the air. Shake it, yogi, shake it. Shake it, yogi, shake it. Shake it, yogi, shake it. Shake it, yogi, shake it.
Keep them up there really high.
Can you go on your toes?
Reach up towards the sky.
Shake it, yogi, shake it. Shake it, yogi, shake it. Shake it, yogi, shake it. Shake it, yogi, shake it.
Let's form a circle and find our groove. You can jump in the middle and
Now we're just gonna do some dance moves.
lots of fun.
A little bit of free dancing.
With everyone.
Show me your dance moves. Shake it up high. Shake it down low.
Everybody say, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Can
Can you wiggle in your seat?
Can you wiggle in your seat? Can you play to the beat?
Can you play with the beat on your belly?
To the beat? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Shake it out. Can you do the tree pose? Let's go on the other side. Woo! Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Shake it to the sides. Down low. Now sit down.
Find a friend to share your beat. Move your body.
On your
dance
tummy.
feet, and
Drum this on your belly. Drum this on your belly. Peanut butter jelly.
drum this on your belly. Peanut butter jelly. Drum this on your belly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly.
Now move it onto your legs.
Sit in pretzel if you
This
care.
is pretzel
Drum
pose.
around.
Let's drum around in a circle.
Drum yoga.
Can you be on your belly?
Yoga.
In cobra pose. Drum your hands.
Drum a drum yoga. Drum a drum yoga. Drum a drum yoga. Drum a drum yoga. Lay down flat
On your back now.
Time to slow down the track.
Now drum a drum yoga. Drum a drum yoga. Drum a drum yoga.
Drum a drum yoga.
So laying down on your back. Laying on your bed or you're on the ground or maybe on the couch. Just relax yourself down. And gently shake out your wrists. Shaking out your wrists. Now move the shaking through your arms while lying down on the ground. And then let your arms go. Let your wrists go. And then move down to your legs. Shake your toes out, your ankles, your hips and legs. Shake them all out. And then let them go. And breathe into your belly. Blow your belly up like a really big balloon. And then pop the balloon and let the air out. Breathe in really deeply into the base of your belly. Blow it up like a balloon. And then pop your balloon and let the air out. Now close your eyes and imagine that every breath you take makes you feel a lot calmer and a little more rested and a little more relaxed. So breathing in, fill your lungs up with air. And when you breathe out, you feel a little more relaxed. Breathe in, fill your lungs up. And exhale, relaxing air. One more time, breathing in, fill your lungs up. And let the air out and relax. Now imagine you're floating down a river, a really calm river on a raft. And the water is moving really slowly and really calmly. Now if a thought comes into your mind, just let it pass through you and into the water and let it float down the river by itself. Just let it go into the river. Let it float away on the water. And just relax and notice how you're gently floating down the river in your calm stream. Now smile every time you take a breath in. And notice how your face changes when you make this smile. Breathe in a smile. And then notice how your face changes and how you feel. Breathe in the smile. And maybe let the smile spread into your chest and into your shoulders. Breathe in another smile. And maybe let the smile move into your tummy or your legs and toes. And as you lay there, breathe in all the smiles. Notice how your body's changing as you feel the smiles float through your body. Noticing the smiles, noticing how your body changes. Can you feel the smile touching your heart? Now relax down on your raft for as long as you would like. with your inner smile. Take your time and rest, restore, and relax.